Okay, I'll give you a little update video on the Avenger. I got an engine mounted in it. I got the doors mounted on it also. That was a chore, the doors were. I went with a V6 engine, used Kennedy adapters out of California, and got a adapter for it. You can see it fits nicely under there. Got a little room for the, on the harmonic balancer there. I'll raise it up here in a second and show you. Let me open the hood here and show you. There it is. You can see the little shiny Kennedy adapter there. Got a 2.9 in it. Pretty cool. I will have to add a scoop here if I would want to run any kind of air cleaner on it whatsoever, but that's okay. I'll raise it up here and show you what it looks like underneath. Here it is underneath it. You can see I got plenty of room. Got room for a harmonic balancer on it. It fits real nicely. If you look here, that's not any really much lower than the Volkswagen. You see it's pretty even with the rear transaxle bars, the brace, so didn't hurt anything. Fits real nicely. I guess it didn't add that much weight to it. Real happy with that choice. The Kennedy adapter to my door was $574. I mean $474. Excuse me, $474. The best. Come with a the flywheel and the adapter and a pilot bushing and bearing and all that. So, and that's all right. And all the bolts to hook it up, it fit right on there, perfect. So, all right. Just wanted to show you we're making progress on it. All right, folks. Thanks for looking. We'll see you next time.